Okay, so if you see this question, time taken by boat to travel Z plus 16 kilometer upstream distance is twice as that of time taken to travel Z minus 8 kilometer downstream, while time taken by boat to travel Z plus 28 kilometer downstream is 1 hour more than time taken by a boat to travel Z minus 20 kilometer upstream. Speed of the boat in still water is 5 times that of the speed of the stream. Then find the time taken by a boat to travel 9z kilometer downstream. That I need to find out. I need to find out time. I need to find out time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. That I need to find out. Okay. How to solve this question? First, learn basic concept. So these are most important concepts in mains exam. Usually they will ask like this question. First, according to this statement, time taken to travel Z plus 16 kilometer upstream, time, distance by speed. So Z plus 16 kilometer I am traveling, Z plus 16 kilometer I am traveling upstream with the upstream speed. Upstream speed I don't know, just I will write it. Upstream speed is US. Is twice as that of the time taken by travel Z minus 8 kilometer downstream. Ratio. Ratio is I'm traveling Z minus 8 kilometer downstream with a downstream speed. So this is also time. This is the time. Upstream time. Distance by speed is the upstream time. Upstream distance I'm traveling with upstream speed is upstream time. It is downstream distance, downstream speed. The ratio is time ratio in the question they are given 2 by 1. That is the first statement. From first statement I got that. Next statement, what they are given, see that. While time taken by boat to travel Z plus 28 kilometer downstream is 1 hour more than the time taken by boat travel Z minus 20 kilometer upstream. And also one more clue they are given. Speed of the boat in still water is 5 times that of the speed of the water, which means boat speed is to water speed they are given. So boat speed is 5 times that of the water means 5x and 1x. So here if I substitute, so the I need upstream speed. Upstream speed means boat speed. We know how to find it. Boat speed minus water speed. That will be the upstream speed. Downstream speed is boat speed plus water speed. Here 5 minus 1, 4x. Anyway, xx it will get cancelled. You no need to write. Otherwise, you can write it. No problem. 5 plus 1, 6x. Directly, I can cancel xx. No need to write. Otherwise, you can write also. Nothing is wrong. Now, if you do cross multiplication, because this is a mains question, you have to do it properly. If you do cross multiplication, otherwise, if I shift it above that, here that equation I can write one more time. Z plus 16 divided by Z minus 8, it will be inverse 6 by 4 is equal to 2 by 1. I can write that equation, which means you have to multiply this and this, you have to multiply this and this. Okay, so then your answer will come. If I solve this equation, so 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. Now z 4 into z 4z, if we shift it that side, if I shift it this side, 3z plus 16 threes are 48. Here 4 into z 4z minus 4 is the 32. Now I will get to know z value. Z value is equal to 3z 4z difference is z, 48 and 32 is 80. Z value will be 80. Now I know z value and boat speed and water speed I know. So remaining I will erase now. So you can note down this. So here I will write it. Z value is equal to 80 and boat speed and water speed I know. So boat speed and water speed I know, that ratio will be 5:1. Remaining I will erase. Now what's the question they are asking? That we are concentrating now. What they are asking question, that concentrate. What the question they are asking? While now the question start. While time taken by boat to travel Z plus 28 kilometer downstream. Tell me, Z value we know 80. So Z value we know 80, and 80 plus 28 means 108 kilometer time you will take. While time taken by boat 108 kilometer, 1 hour more than time taken boat Z minus 80. So Z minus 80 will be 60. So here I'm traveling downstream speed. Downstream speed is boat speed and water speed. That will be 5 plus 1. Okay, that will be 5 plus 1. That will be 6x. I will take it. Then upstream, 5 minus 1, 4x. Here time minus it is equal to 1 hour. In the question, we have to write properly which one, which equation we have to write first. Where you will take more time. In downstream time, you will take more because while time taken by boat travel Z plus 28 kilometer downstream is 1 hour more than time taken upstream. In this question, upstream time is, I mean, downstream time is more than upstream time. That's why I am writing here like this. Okay. Now I have to solve this equation. Okay, now I have to solve this equation. From this statement, I will get to know x. Okay, from this statement, I will get to know x. Directly, I can do it. 6 ones are, here I can cancel directly. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6. Again, I can cancel. 6 ones are 6. 6 eights are 48. 4 ones are 4. 4 15s are 60. Now LCM is x. 18 minus 15 will be 3 is equal to 1, which means x value is equal to 3. If x value is equal to 3, boat speed and water speed I will get to know. 5 into 3, boat speed will be 5 3s are 15. Water speed will be 1 into 3, 3. Water speed and boat speed we know. Now finally again they are asking what? Now I need to find out. Final question. Find time taken by boat to travel 9z kilometer. 9z, 9 into z value will be 80. Time. In which direction they are traveling? Downstream. Downstream means 15 plus 3, 18. So your answer will be 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 80 divided by 2 will be 40 hours. So your answer will be 40 hours will be the answer. I hope it is clear how to solve. Again, we'll go for next question. See, this is the most important question repeatedly they're asking from this question, this model, this type of questions. Priyanka was going in a boat. Suddenly, her cap fell into the water and started moving away from her backward with the stream. The boat kept on moving 12 more minutes against the stream. When Priyanka realized that her cap fell into the water, she took a U-turn and row with the stream to catch her cap. And the point where she caught the cap is the point from where she started. If her cap fell into the water 3 kilometers from starting point, then find the speed of the stream. First, I will explain the concept very easily. It's a question, so first understand. Suppose, think, just I will write it. This is a river. Okay, this is a river. Just assume this is a river. Now, one boat, let's take this. Assume this is a boat. In a boat, one queen is there. Just assume like that. In a boat, one queen is there. Actually, according to question, water is traveling in this direction. This direction. Water is traveling like this. Boat is traveling like this, which means boat is now traveling in upstream. Fine. So, according to first statement they're given, I'm assuming boat speed, I don't know water speed, I'm assuming water speed will be W, boat speed will be B. From that statement, now first statement, Priyanka was going in a boat, suddenly her cap fell into the water, and in where her cap is fell into after 3 kilometers. So I'm assuming this is the point her cap is fell. Now boat is actually here. After starting this, Boat is here now. Now in this position. Now in this position, our cap fell into the water. Now cap is traveling with the stream always because water ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆ ಕಡೆನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So cap is traveling like this. Cap ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. Now very important point is cap is traveling with which speed? W speed. Boat is traveling with which speed? Upstream speed. Upstream speed means boat is traveling now. Boat speed minus water speed in this case. Now another 12 minutes she is actually traveling. She is traveling another 12 minutes. She don't know cap fell or not in this position. In this point, she is realized. Here she realized. This 12 minutes, cap also traveling some distance. Yes or no? ಈ 12 minutes ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 12 minutes ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ 12 minutes ಬೋಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ 12 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೌ ಐ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟು ಇಯರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ how say no in 12 minutes I need to find out distance in 12 minutes boat is traveling in a speed of b minus w speed then water is traveling I mean cap is traveling with a speed of w this is the relative speed in because both are traveling like this means this is the speed it is boat is traveling like this water is traveling like this if I add total distance in how many minutes 12 minutes then if I solve this equation minus w plus w get cancelled 12b okay 12b so the distance from year to year okay now year cap year boat the distance between this position and this position is 12b now she is realized her cap is fell into water now she took u-turn okay now she took u-turn now she took u-turn and she will search for cap okay she will search for cap so now she is traveling with the downstream ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಡೌನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ what is the distance between this position to cap once she realized she will take u-turn and the distance between now this position to this position is 12b now both are traveling same distance same direction same direction means speed will be subtraction we have to do boat speed will be in downstream b plus w water speed will be w okay then w get cancelled relative speed of the boat and cap will be b so total distance divided by speed is equal to time then after 12 minutes cap she will catch after 12 minutes where she can catch actually boat is traveling in the question clearly they mention ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು 12 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 12 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಗೆ 12 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ 24 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು 24 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 24 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ sorry 24 minutes 3 kilometer 3 kilometer 24 minutes 24 minutes means 24 divided by 60 so you can cancel with 4 6 za 4 15 za again 3 1 za 3 2 za then 15 by 2 15 by 2 is 7.5 so the water speed is so the answer will be 7.5 kilometer per hour that will be your answer I hope this question is clear It is the most important concept you have to understand. If you like these questions, please do subscribe and do comments whether you understand or not. We'll meet you next video.